Namaste friends, I welcome you in our second Hindi lesson. The theme of this class is about nouns in Hindi. So today we are going to learn about types of nouns and their uses. There are two types of nouns in Hindi, masculine nouns and feminine nouns. Masculine nouns further divided in two forms, or we can say two types. So first let us learn about masculine type 1 noun. Masculine type 1 noun ending with the a, or we can say that those masculine nouns ending with the a change to a into plural. For example, kamra, kamara. The ending of kamra is a. In plural, kamra would be kamre. So, one room is ek kamra. Two rooms would be do kamre. More examples of these nouns are ladka, which means boy. Plural would be ladke. Juta, which means shoe. Plural would be jute. Pankha, which means fan. Plural would be pankhe. Kela, which means banana. Plural would be kele. Shantara, which means orange. Plural would be santere. Papita, which means papaya. Plural would be papite. Kapda, a piece of clothes. Plural would be kapade. So these are the examples of masculine type 1 nouns. Or we can say that a noun ending with the a must change to a into plural. However, there is always some exception. For example, pita. Pita is father, which is ending with the a, but we cannot make to plural pite, which is wrong. So there is always some kind of exception in every languages. However, these things you have to learn in advanced level of Hindi. So as of now, you can focus on nouns ending with a change to a into plural. Now, let us move to the second form of nouns, second type of masculine nouns. These nouns don't have any special endings and they don't change into plural. That means they are remain unchanged. Now question is, how do we make them plural? So for making them plural, we make them by numerical plural. For example, admi, which means man. Plural would be same, admi. But how to differentiate between singular and plural? We have to add a number. So, ek admi, which means one man. Do admi, which means two men. So this way we can make these nouns into plural form. Another examples of these noun is ghar, which means house. Ek ghar, do ghar, two houses. Makan, house, or we can say home. Do makan, two houses. Naam is a name. Naam, names. Kaam means work. Kaam, do kaam, teen kaam, works. Many works, multiple works. So these are the examples of type 2 masculine nouns. You know, there are always so many examples of this. Let me tell you, there is one trick. If you are not clear about the gender of the object, the default is masculine type 2 nouns. If you are, which might be you are not sure that it's masculine, because there is one always clear that ending with the "a" is masculine type 1 noun. But other nouns, it's mostly masculine type 2 nouns. For example, chawal, which means rice, dal, which is lentils. So there are so many, kagaz, paper. So these are the examples which are mostly they don't have any endings and we don't change them into plural. So these are the examples of masculine type 2 nouns. I hope it is clear to you. Moving to the next, feminine nouns. There are two types of feminine nouns. This is how we can learn the types of feminine noun. So first one is those feminine nouns ending with small e, long e, ia, change to ia into plural. For example, ladki, 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 which means girl. For making into plural, this would be ladkiyan. So one trick is that if a noun end with e, it must be long e. If a word end with the e, it must be feminine noun and that e must be the long e. So ladki, plural would be ladkiyan. While in a written Hindi, if you write in a Devanagari script, that the script that you write in Hindi is called Devanagari. In that way, this long e becomes short e and then we add iya, ladkiyan. So when I will be making you a script lesson, I will be giving you with the written, but now this is just for oral. So ladki change to ladkiyan. Kursi, e. Ending with the e, it must be long e. This is a trick for you. Kursi, it must change to plural kursiyan. One chair, chairs. Then we have mithai, mithai. Ending with the long e, it's a feminine noun. Its plural would be mithaiyan, which means sweet. So ladki, kursi, mithai, sari. Sari, the Indian, the cloth. Change to plural, sariyan. Then we have sabji. Sabji is vegetable. Plural would be sabjiyan, vegetables. Beti. Beti is daughter, ending with a long e. Change to plural, betiyan, daughter, daughters. Then we have roti. Roti, you know, the Indian bread that we eat, that's called roti. Change to plural, rotiyan. Chapati, which is feminine singular noun, change to plural, chapatiyan. So these are the examples of feminine type 1 nouns. Chidiya is the example of that is ending with a small e. Chidiya. Chidiya, which means bird. Change to plural, chidiyan. However, there is no so many examples of this. Trick for you is those nouns ending with the long e must be feminine nouns. For making them plural, we add iyan. So these are feminine type 1 nouns. Moving to the next, feminine type 2. Again, it's challenging. There is no special endings for feminine type 2. We have to memorize them. However, there is, for making them plural, we add a, nasalized a. For example, these nouns are kitab. Kitab means book. For making them plural, we add a. So kitab change to kitabein, which means book, books. Maze, maze, table, table. Multiple tables would be mezein, mez, mezein. Bahan, sister, bahne, sisters. Dukan, it's shop, store. Change to plural, dukane, चीज which means things. कौन सी चीज? चीज change to plural चीजें. So these are the examples of feminine type 2 nouns. You know, we have learned in the last class about the demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are this is, these are, those are, and that is. Let's have example of using these pronouns with these nouns. So this is a room. This is a room. You know, there is an article in English. We don't have article in Hindi. However, it's up to you if you want to use more for more specifications. We can use ek. Ek means a or one. So ये एक कुर्सी है. This is a chair. ये एक कुर्सी है. Saying these are chairs, multiple chairs. ये कुर्सियां हैं. ये कुर्सियां हैं. That is room. That is room. वो कमरा है. If you have to say those are rooms, वे कमरे हैं. वे कमरे हैं. This is a man. ये आदमी है. Saying these are men. ये आदमी हैं. That is a man. वो आदमी है. Those are men would be वे आदमी हैं. This is a girl. ये लड़की है. Those are girls would be वे लड़कियां हैं. This is a table. ये मेज है. These are tables would be ये मेजें हैं. Those are not tables. We are adding negative. Those are not tables would be वे मेजें नहीं हैं. So these are the examples of noun with the pronoun. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and if you like it, please subscribe to our video. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next class. Thank you so much.